Some people celebrated their entering into the new year by sexual immorality. Some people celebrated theirs using party way, smoking, dancing, and drinking away their time. Some people celebrated their entering into the new year by blasting of bombs, shooting of guns, burning of tires in the road and in the streets. Some celebrated theirs in the presence of God to thank God for making them enter a new year alive and healthy and strong. In the name of the Spirit, kingdom of darkness, they have appointed and selected those to be killed this new year we just entered. They have also chosen families that will weep for the loss of their loved one in this year we have entered. The enemy has marked and planned a full plan and agenda against humanity this year we entered. Instead of people to celebrate by giving thanksgiving to God, committing themselves in prayer to destroy the plans of the enemy against their life in this year they just entered. Some are busy committing sin, all in the name of celebrating a new year. Most of these people celebrating this new year, maybe by the middle of this year, some of them may be crying. I'm not saying people should not be happy or celebrate entering a new year, but when celebrating, do it in a godly manner. In other words, God has prepared great things for His people in this new year we entered. It is not late for you to connect in the Spirit and claim the blessing of God in your life. I'm still your brother, Evangelist, Ebube Joseph, Ezeaguba. Shalom. Happy New Year.